Mitzi has a very subtle way of letting them know she doesn't like her eardrops. What goes good with a retractable leash? A retractable dog. Hey, I thought only boxers jump rope. If you don't have shoes to take off, at least you can do this.
Leave some for me, would you?
Okay, the cat looks like she's finished. She's walking away.
About time. My owner likes the cat best. She gets all the goodies. Let's see if she left anything for me.
Don't you come in the living room now.
I wouldn't think of it, babe. I'm invisible. You just ignore me. Just an invisible dog. I am not in the living room. Trying to get this bowl to cooperate. Hey, beat it, Rex. If only I had hands. Oh, my goodness, I think I got it.
Oh, my goodness, you got it.
I don't even want to talk about work today. I just want to get something to eat and then roll in the mud for an hour. Let's see, this looks good. I'm starving.
You little tart.
Those were tarts? I didn't see any.
You little tart.
Ah, keep your shirt on. And your buddy, that's not a bad idea.
Oh, you're the greatest, Rex. I really like you a lot. You've done wonders for my self-confidence. Why, I bet I could even walk on water if I had to. Oh, pushes would be another story. You there, Rex? I got mulberries in my ears.
Woof, it's showtime again.
Come here, come here, come here.
Hey, I'm trotting as fast as I can.
Come on, get under it.
Yeah, it's been like this ever since he lost his job in the circus.
Nice. Come here.
I've only got one mouth, you know.
How much is that bologna in the window?
Sit down.
This boxer has a great corner man.
Man, I'm bush shagging golf balls. I've been going out 200 to 300 yards to get him for this loser. Gotta be an easier way. I got it.
Sure, he can drive, but I bet he can't putt. I stand corrected.
Meow. Shh, quiet. Just another cat burglar. I mustn't make a sound as I ease open the door for my accomplices. All right. Fluffy, get the chew toys. Schmutzy, get the tin salmon. And Butch, get the milk. Timing is everything.
This is the last time he waves to the cat across the street.
Say hi. Say hello. Hello.
Okay. No. Wash time. Oh, can you grab anything else?
She needs some soap, a towel, and a needle and thread.
Blue thing. Oh, man.
She's gonna find out the hard way those black spots don't wash off.
so you're the deodorant my owner was talking about. I resent that. My owner telling me I need deodorant. I lick myself all day long. I don't need nothing to make me smell better. Need the stuff you use after a close shave.
I don't know who's more afraid, the cat, the rat, or the lady.
See? See?
That toy isn't the only thing in this house that's jumpy. Yeah, I know. The dog ate your homework, and the cat popped your yoga ball.
Okay, ready?
When a lazy boy meets a lazy cat. Pugs love treats. Cats hate sharing.
Got one.
On the road, you gotta watch out for these guys. Stay out of the